The 2020 Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows, security system, electronic stability control, power moonroof, tachometer, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, front bucket seats, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, passenger vanity mirror. Your new ride is just a phone call away.